Today we're going to take a look at a semi-hard case for the Mavic 2 series. And at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win your choice of Mavic 2 Pro filters or Mavic 2 ND filters from f-stop Labs. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, Tech. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos just like this. So typically I don't keep my drone in a case like this. Most of the time it sits in this Eve case, which allows me to keep all of my camera gear and my drone up at the top. It's just super easy and portable for travel, and it works best for me. But when I'm not traveling, I definitely like to have a grab and go case like the Dacket. Now the Dacket case is a semi-hard case embolstered in a nylon fabric that has a great feel to it. Opening the case, you'll see on the inside they offer ample space for all your Mavic accessories. You can store up to 6 batteries, including one in the drone. You have room for all your cables, your controller with sticks, and then room for the Mavic as well. At the top, you will find a zipper which gives you access to the mesh pouch where you can store additional accessories. I like to throw a set of ND filters in there just so I don't forget them. There's also a shoulder strap if you're into that sort of thing. All in all, I don't think Dacket skipped on the quality, and it's really not bad. For $44, I've seen a lot of sellers skimp on the foam that's used inside, and Dacket didn't do it. All in all, I like the case. I'll use it when I'm not traveling, but for travel, I'm still gonna stick with my Eve case. I'll go ahead and link the case in the description below so you guys can check it out. Also, don't forget to comment down below which drone you bought and why, so you have a chance to win either one of these ND filters. We have Mavic 2 Pro filters and Mavic 2 Zoom filters from f-stop Labs. I'm gonna go ahead and select one winner live October 1st on my Q&A stream. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay original.